On paper, it looks like the most powerful robot vacuum Dyson has ever made, but in practice it proved to be a double-edged sword. In some rooms it cleaned like a beast, in others it stubbornly got stuck or forgot entire corners. It surprised me by being phenomenal at fine dust, yet surprisingly weak at basic mapping and edge cleanup. In real use, the 360 Vis Nav feels premium, solid plastic throughout, a smooth top shell, and a clean ejection mechanism for the dustbin. The D-shaped body is Dyson's attempt to hug walls more closely, and yes, it does reach closer than circular bots in some spots. The touchscreen on top is responsive and gives you status info, though you'll rely on the app most of the time. One weakness: the glass dome over the camera is delicate. I flipped the unit over carefully one day and regretted it. The dome cracked. Dyson stresses you should place it gently rather than drop or rest it on hard surfaces. Compared to a Roborock or iRobot Roomba I've used, the build is in the same premium league, but the fragile camera and exposed bumper edges make me worry about longevity in a busy household.